Hi, this is Kevin with the Whistling Kettle, and today we'll be making iced tea with our Conflicted iced tea brewer using the hot brew method. It's really easy. Just simply take 3 tablespoons. In this particular case, we're using our kettle iced tea blend. And fill it halfway with water. Now we just wait for 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes has passed, so we're gonna take the tea out. And then we're gonna top off with cold water. Now you have a full pot of black iced tea, and just pour over ice.